Good morning. It's Monday, July 22nd, 2024. This is your Georgia WeatherNet morning update. A few light showers in northeast Georgia this morning. Have some other light shower activity around the rest of the state, but really not enough to show up on radar. But the heavy rain, not a factor this morning. Yesterday, that was a different story. Some flooding from Carrollton over to Macon. They had a flood warning until late last night, and very heavy rain in the eastern part of the state as well, in Lincoln County, eastern Wilkes County and Lincoln County, where the radar estimated close to 2 inches of rain falling over a 2-hour period. So that is very, very heavy rain. So a lot of us did experience some flood issues yesterday. And just looking at some of the unofficial rain totals, the number one spot over the last 24 hours, measured as of just about an hour ago, was Athens with 1.7 inches of rain over the last 24 hours. So again, that's just happens to be where one of the rain gauges are located. Some of us saw quite a bit more rain than that. And if you factor in Saturday and Sunday, yeah, we needed the rain, and a lot of us did get it. So we're going to see some showers pop up again as we move through the day today as well. And we'll watch out for the potential for some flooding in a few spots. Temperatures as we get started at 7:30 this morning. We have some low 70s, upper 60s in the North Georgia mountains, and mainly low to mid 70s across the rest of the state, upper 70s in coastal Georgia. Let's take a look at the weather models. We move through the morning hours. Again, we're seeing a few light showers up in North Georgia, and that continues to move out, heading into South Carolina. And then things start to fade out through the late morning hours. We head into this afternoon. Pretty quiet till about 2 o'clock. Then we'll start to see some thunderstorms develop. Again, mainly in South Georgia, close to the Florida state line. Those thunderstorms will pop up, and then the rest of the state could see an isolated shower as well. So these storms have a little bit of movement on them, but they're going to start to slow up a little bit as we head into the evening hours tonight, and that's where we're going to get a chance of some flooding potential there with these storms that just kind of pop up and stay in the same spot and then slowly dissipate or move out over time as we move through the overnight hours. Thunderstorms still likely, mainly in North Georgia and over metro Atlanta. Starting out tomorrow morning, we'll see some clouds around the rest of the state. I think we're going to see more humidity start to build up tomorrow as well, so that'll add to our heat index. Temperatures about the same tomorrow as today over most of the state of Georgia, but with that additional humidity, it's going to feel a lot more uncomfortable out there and help spark thunderstorms and keep them going for a good part of the day. So we'll continue through tomorrow morning. This is 9, 10 o'clock. Pretty quiet across the state, but you know the drill. We start to heat up in the afternoon, and we'll see those thunderstorms start to ignite again around 1, 2 o'clock this afternoon. And you can see they're just kind of slowly moving across the state. So if you get under one of these storms, they're not going to move very quickly, so just expect heavy rainfall for about 20, 30 minutes, just depending on where you are. And as we move through the evening hours, looks like a line of organized thunderstorms moving into North Georgia, so we'll watch out for some strong straight-line winds with that. A few of these could go strong to severe. As for right now, the Storm Prediction Center not putting us under any sort of severe weather outlook for tomorrow, but that line does look fairly impressive as we head into the late night hours tomorrow night. Looks like this could hold together through very early Wednesday morning, so thunderstorms in parts of North Georgia, metro Atlanta, and then isolated storms ahead of that down toward Macon, Warner Robins, Perry, and parts of middle Georgia. So we'll get a little bit more information on that line of thunderstorms as we get closer tomorrow and into tomorrow night. But just be on the lookout for the possibility of some strong storms. That's the latest from the Georgia WeatherNet. Now your local forecast from northwest Georgia to southeast Georgia.